sushi, and together we'll learn Armenian. After this lesson, you'll be able to greet in Armenian. I will teach you almost all the possible ways to greet in Armenian. So, let's get started! The simplest way to greet in Armenian is saying բարև. Բարև. Repeat after me. Բարև. 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 This means hi. If you want to make it more formal, if you want to greet strangers or big group of people, you have to use the formal way, which is բարև ձեզ. Ձեզ is like plural you, so just you are saying hi to everyone. Բարև ձեզ. Բարև ձեզ. You can also use this to show respect, and you can use this to greet a person who is a little older than you, your teacher, your professors, or whoever. Another way, which is my favorite way to greet in Armenian, but this is not really common, just to say ողջույն. This might be a little difficult to pronounce. This is not very common, but it sounds really nice. ողջույն. ողջույն. Repeat. ողջույն. Now, let's learn the ways to say goodbye in Armenian. One way to do that is just saying ցտեսություն. Many Armenians pronounce this in a wrong way. You might hear ստեսություն, but it doesn't really mean anything, and it's a little incorrect way to say ցտեսություն. Ցտեսություն actually means till the next moment or till the next time we meet. So ցտեսություն. Տեսել means to see. ցտեսություն. ցտեսություն. Another way to say goodbye is just saying հաջողություն. հաջողություն just means goodbye. հաջողություն. Try to repeat. հաջողություն. հաջող. Yes. So we learned the greetings that you can use not depending on time of the day. Let's summarize and then we'll move on. So the first one, բարև, or the more formal version, բարև ձեզ. Բարև. Բարև ձեզ. The second one was ողջույն. ողջույն. And the ways to say goodbye, ցտեսություն. ցտեսություն. հաջող. Or հաջողություն. Another way that Armenian used to say goodbye is saying пока, which is not really in Armenian, but we use it a lot. Пока, пока, it's like bye. Пока, or some people try to sound sweet and they just repeat the word 2 times. It's like пока-пока. Like in English, almost like in English, we have some greetings in Armenian that change depending on the time of the day. For example, good morning. Armenian has 2 ways to say good morning. The first one is բարի առավոտ. Try to repeat. Բարի առավոտ. The second one is բարի լույս. Բարի լույս. Բարի լույս. Բարի առավոտ. Let's move on. Good afternoon will be բարի կեսօր. Բարի կեսօր. Or means day, kes means half day, so it's like noon. Բարի կեսօր. Good afternoon. The next one will be good day, which is բարի օր. You can use this after the noon until like 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. till it's not dark. You can use բարի օր. Բարի օր. When it gets a little darker, you will say good evening. In Armenian it is բարի երեկո. Բարի երեկո. Repeat. Բարի երեկո. So when it's dark and you actually plan to sleep, you say good night. Բարի գիշեր. Բարի գիշեր. Then you just sleep. I want us to summarize whatever we learned in this particular video. Let's start from the beginning. Բարև, hi. Բարև ձեզ, hello. Then ողջույն, which also means hello. Ողջույն. Then we learned ways to say goodbye. We learned hաջող or հաջողություն. We learned ցտեսություն, and we learned the word пока or пока-пока. And then we have good morning, բարի առավոտ or բարի լույս. Then we have good afternoon, բարի կեսոր. Then we have good day, բարի օր. After բարի օր we have evening, բարի երեկո. Then we have to sleep, we say բարի գիշեր. Բարի գիշեր. I hope this was helpful, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading more videos, and together we'll learn Armenian. Goodbye. Hաջողություն.